Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 10 and let me show you how to manage camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage with show grid lines button, so just one tap on it and we can turn on and turn off by another tap the camera grid lines. As you can see, yellow color suggests us that now they are turned on, and here in the preview they appear. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of third in photography or making experiments with composition of the picture. Once again, let's go to right corner button, and to show grid lines, when we tap to the bottom of it, we get access to more settings, so we can pick from 4 types of grid. Let's move to the next one, and as you can see, this is how they change it in the preview. Here we can also pick the spiral to left or right side. And of course remember that all of these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go to left to the gallery button, we can't see them, so the grid lines are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them or need another type, we have to move back to right corner settings and manage this as we need, or just turn them off simply here. So for now they have gone. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.